Hello, welcome. I'm really happy to come and share something with all of you. All of you are very creative people and I got some of call from my students and I'm really happy the way they are growing. So now in this platform, I want to create something very valuable and which really give you the worth when you start practicing. So creativity is not only the drawing, art and craft. Creativity even comes in our communication, our presentation, and in any field when we are thinking from our mind to create something different, something innovative. For one small example, in 2004, when all over India there are many workshops and art workshops are going on, that time I am very busy with my own commercial work and my family, and I want to expand myself worldwide. So I created myself with one innovative idea for online training program, and that time 2004 there is no any social media big platform, only Yahoo ID, even Gmail is also not so popular. So I started my online training through Yahoo email, and many of you know how you have learned with me through Gmail, and Skype also I use very rarely but through Gmail. Then after that I created this Facebook style, which also many of my students have start following me and they created, and now I'm going to upgrade myself with different level. Okay, so now here I'm giving you today one exercise. So before that, you see what is this. When you saw this glass and there is water, so what comes in your mind? This is exercise for you. Write down in below comment. What is this? What thought comes in your mind? So one thought, maybe it is very common. This glass is half empty. And second thought is this is half filled. So this is just an explanation of the picture. But when I tell you how long you can hold this glass, then what? Can you hold this glass for a long time? No, because then start paining the hand. So why? So all of you answer. What comes in your mind? Okay, in the below comment section. And second, I am giving you 3 words. NPI. So what is NPI? This is exercise for you. Do it today. What you have never done, do it today. Maybe it is not look like you can't do it. So start that. Second, maybe it is possible. Okay. So do it. And when you go for these 2 pages, what you are never doing, do it. And it is possible. Then it is possible. And you can do it. And when you go through these 2 stages, you came to 3rd stage, that is I, means impossible is possible for you. So this is what I want to create with all of you. To do it, whatever you have never done, start today, and it is possible for you. And then after that, your car will be run. Any impossible thing is possible. So you can do it, any impossible things. Okay, so see you, and please mention whatever comes in your mind, comment section, and invite your more and more friends. So now we are creating some more excitement in this inner circle community. Share with others also and invite others also. See you.